Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the HyperX Alloy Core RGB gaming keyboard. I swear I had a different name. I don't know, but yeah. Compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One. Well, if it does have a different name, it'll be on the description, the title of the video. I swear it wasn't called that. But yeah, hopefully. We'll see anyways. So HyperX Alloy Core RGB. So this was £55, but I got it on sale for £25, and then on top of that I got another £5 off because of Amazon, so I paid like £21, which is not bad for a gaming keyboard. I'm slowly buying all my gaming bits up, so if anybody wants to sponsor me, let me know guys, because yeah, I've got the gaming mouse now, I've got the gaming keyboard now. What else is missing now? The actual PC guys. Monitor, a desk, everything guys. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm gonna be going all out on that, making a proper nice build. So yeah, stay tuned for all that if you're into gaming stuff. Okay, so gaming grade performance with dynamic RGB lighting effects. That's one of the reasons I chose this keyboard. It has a beautiful LED layout. Alright, so compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One. English UK keyboard. Make sure you get the English one, unless you want a different language one. You can get English US one, it's not the same, so make sure you get the UK one if you're gonna be getting it in the UK. What's on the side? HyperX Alloy Core. Wow. So yeah, this is how Amazon packaged it guys, just like this donkeys. They literally just give it like this with a stick on top with the address on, like no one's gonna steal that because it is expensive, you know. And then on top of that, Royal Mail the donkeys, they just leave it outside your house. He left a note saying some random stuff. I couldn't even read what he wrote. So I looked everywhere, and guess where it was? Between my bins, guys. Who the hell puts shit like that between the bins? Silly drivers, guys. What can you do? Okay, Alloy Core, so package contents. You get the gaming keyboard, quick start guide. You need a one USB port 2.0. It's compatible with Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7. Nothing about 11, but I'm guessing it will be because it's a older keyboard, so yeah, it's just a keyboard end of the day. Should be compatible anyways. There is a software you can get to control the LEDs, but if it just flows constantly, I'll just leave it like that, innit? Because I don't like downloading all the software. Alright guys, okay, so oh yeah, this had some shortcut buttons I believe on the top. Yeah, we'll have a look at them. Right, so English, signature light bar and RGB lighting effects. So you have a light bar all the way across, which is really nice, and all the keys light up as well. Spill resistant, so that's really good if you accidentally drop some curry on there. Not curry, I'm joking guys, Coke or water is quite good, up to a certain amount, obviously not too much. You get 2 years warranty as well. Dedicated media controls, yep, so that's that. Keyboard lock mode, that is really good as well. So you can lock your keyboard rather than locking your computer. You could just lock the keyboard guys, which I think is pretty cool. Now guys, nothing else here, let's go have a look inside now. Alright mate, you see this donkey doesn't pay any rent or nothing, thinks he can sit there like he owns the house. Bloody bastard. Alright, so I've already cut this, the sellotape, because it was hard anyway. Oh, don't say there's more. Oh, has he sellotaped the whole side of the fucking thing? Bloody bastards. Give me 1 second guys, I'm gonna cut this side. I think there'll be on this side as well. Bloody hell, he's put so much tape on this. Oh my goodness guys, look at this premium packaging. Woof, it actually looks pretty decent with this red surround. Bloody hell, oh shit, okay, that's broken now in that corner. But yeah, got the nice keyboard. This is closing on me slowly, look. Come on bro, just stay there. Thank you brother. So this is the keyboard itself. It is quite big, which is actually good. I don't like the mini keyboards. How do I get this out of here now? I have to take these boxes off first. There you go. I'll be the wire for it. Hold it. the hell is this? Oh, that's how you get out. You just lift it like this. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull it out like this. Oh, it's like a nylon braided cable, so it's quite premium if you have a look. So that will last quite a long time. Oh, the keys feel really nice. Okay, HyperX have you covered, guys. Oof, thank you, brothers. Quick start guide, thank you, brothers. Game mode button, where's that? Number C. I don't know what that is though. Right, let me put this there, and I'll take this out the wrapper and we'll have a look at it. Alright guys, I've plugged into my laptop. It looks fucking amazing, guys. The colors on this is amazing. So yeah, maybe, oh wait, can I change this? Lowest brightness, highest brightness. What if I hold it? That's the highest brightness. Lowest, highest. Ooh, I like it. What does that do? Oh yes, I don't need to download the app. Yes, this is just what I wanted, guys. Oscillating mode. Alright, let me go turn the light off. I thought I was gonna have to download the software, guys. Now I don't. I'm really happy. Habit? Go look at it now. Oi, oi, oi. I think this is the mode I like, guys. Ooh, look how nice that looks. Let's see the other ones. Next one. I think this one just fades in and out. Different colors. What's this one? Just one solid color. Oh, look at that one of it. Look how nice this one is, guys. Oh, I might keep this one. I don't know. Let's see what the next one is. Oi, oi, oi. Bro, there's too many nice color ones. This one's oscillating between all the colors. But instead of 3 breakups, it's like a 2 breakup one. Press the button again. What's this? That's back to normal. Just slowly changing all colors. And this is the one I think I was going to keep on watching. Very slowly does it. Slowly changes colors. You see it's moving along slowly and switching colors all the way around. I think that's the one I'm going to keep you on. But yeah, I'm really impressed. Let's see the different brightnesses. Highest, that's the highest. Oi, oi, oi. What a keyboard, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. And HyperX, bloody hell, you make good keyboards. And yeah, the keys feel really nice. Like you got some nice feedback of that. And it sounds good as well. Ooh. And what else was I going to say? It's got the playback buttons there. But you can't see them, they're not lit up. They should have lit up the media buttons. I'll show you what I mean. Turn this back on. So in the dark, you're not going to be able to see any of these buttons. So all these buttons at the top as well, they're completely dark. They should have had some backlight behind them. That is my only complaint. What happens if I actually press the game button? Absolutely nothing. Do you know why? You probably need the software to program that in, so you could probably use that as a hotkey, just to open up whatever game you want or whatever. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the keyboard. It's got a nice curve here. Oh, another thing, they should have this light up, the HyperX sign. That would look mental. But yeah, the software, fuck the software, I mean the keyboard, very nice, smooth, very soft as well. It's got like a matte feel to it. I like it. And I've seen the reviews, they're really good, last a long time. And I like this edge, because you can put your hand like this. Can you see? They've thought about everything, guys, compared to the normal shitty ones which is flat like this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.